Hi guys, welcome back. Right, tonight in the Vice we have this Assa, I think it's a 700 series, I'm thinking, and we're going to try and get it open. So let's have a little crack at this baby. Sorry about the light is shining, we have a bit of a glare on the old camera. Hang on. Let's see if I can do it like that. It's a bit awkward around the camera like that actually, but never mind. Let's have a feel. Nothing on one, little click on two, 3, 4. Another click on 3. 2, let's try 1. No, nothing on 1. 2. Something dropped then. I felt like 4. 5, big false set. Nothing on 4, nothing on 3. Counter rotation on 2. Going up a long way. And the lock's moving in the Vice. Hang on. Alright, let's try and get that. Not sure if that's 2 or 1 actually. Oh, there's something dropped then. Right, that was 1. Yeah, we got counter rotation still on 2. And I'm back right off counter rotation on 1 now. Oh, okay. Now we have one on 2 again. It's going a long way up. Let's try the rest. 4, no, 4 feels good. 5 feel good, 4 feel good, 3 feels good, 2 feels good. And I'm getting counter rotation still down the front. I'm not quite getting high enough. I think this pick's a little bit small. Yeah, we're definitely still at the front. I think this pick is a little bit too short. I'm just not getting it high enough. Got it. Well, that was a bit of a bugger. It's just that last pin. I think the pick, I'm using Mimi pick, and it's not a very deep hook. I think this front, one of the front pins is quite deep. I haven't got a key, so. I was just on that last pin there for about a minute, trying to set it. Yeah, didn't seem a very hard pick, to be honest, and it didn't feel like normal Assa pins in there, not the Assa spools and stuff, Assa barrels. So I think this is an old Assa. But we'll open it and have a look, see what's in it. Felt like all standard pins. Open this without locking it back up, I hope. I can get the clip off. Come on. Oh, let's try it this way. That's got it. Not quite. You bugger. It's taking longer to get the clip off than it is to open the lock. Okay, I've got there in the end. Right, let's turn this round so I don't. I'm hoping that's not going to get jammed. Okay, so I can't see any counter milling. Pin 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard. Drivers. One. Yeah, it's the old Assa security pins, like the old spool type, old Assa spools. 1, 2, long spool, 3, Assa spool, 4, Assa spool, and the last one is standard. Just wondering if that's been taken apart. Doesn't look like it, looking at the springs, they look pretty old. Okay guys, that's the Assa 5 pin single pin picked and gutted. Alright guys, see you later.